Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to the class. Now we learnt another Semitic religion, that is Islam. Islam means submission of oneself before the God or surrender to the God. Islam is originated in Arabia. So Arabia is one of the peninsula of West Asia. So it is basically a deserted region. What is the main feature of desert? Yes, in desert region, water availability is very less because the low rainfall. It is not suitable for agriculture. Thus, the Arab migrated to Mecca and Medina because these are suitable for agriculture. In the beginning, Arabs worshipped many objects of nature like stones, trees, and streams as God. Kaaba. Kaaba is one of the holy place or religious center of Muslim. Muslims offer their prayer every day facing towards Kaaba. Who was the founder of Islam? Yes, Muhammad Paigambar was the founder of Islam. He was born in 570 CE at Mecca. His parents were Abdullah and Hamina. But Muhammad Paigambar lost his parents during his childhood. So, he brought up by his uncle. So, in the beginning, he was a shepherd. The meaning of shepherd means, yes, rearing of sheep. He started visiting Mecca and Syria because for the purpose of business. In the beginning, he employed by Khadija. Khadija was a rich widow. Later, he was married Khadija. They had 2 sons and 4 daughters. He impressed by the simplicity and also a monotheism of Christianity. So already we studied in the previous class. Means the Jesus, the first teaching is God is one. Monotheism means worshipped only one God. But Arabs, they were practiced polytheism. Polytheism means, yes, they worshipped so many objects of nature like trees, streams as God. So he started meditating deeply for long hours on Mount Hera because for the find out the remedies for the social and cultural shortcoming of Arabs. After he achieved enlightenment, he was called as messenger of the God by the people. His messages were compiled and published. His messages were compiled and published later. This is known as the Holy Book of Quran. So, Quran was the Holy Book of Islam. Later, the Paigambar started preaching his principles in Mecca. When Paigambar opposed polytheism, the people very enraged and he was conspired to murder him. He traveled from Mecca to Medina. When he became aware of this in CE 622. This incident is known as Hijra. What is Hijra? Yes, Muhammad Paigambar traveled from Mecca to Medina in CE 622. This is known as Hijra. The Muslim calendar on the basis of this Hijra era. So, the people of Medina people welcomed Muhammad and followed his all principles. After 8 years, that means 630, the war between Mecca and Medina. The people of Medina defeated the people of Mecca. So Paigambar again came back to the Mecca. The people of Mecca accepted his teaching. Finally, they became the follower of the religion propagated by Paigambar. So he was died in CE 632. These are the life of Muhammad Paigambar. What are the differences between Islam and Muslim? There are a small differences between Islam and Muslim. In the beginning, I explained the meaning of Islam. What is Islam? Yes, Islam means submission of oneself before the God or surrender to the God. What is the meaning of Muslim? Muslim means the follower of the God. Yes. Next, the teachings of Islam. Already you are practiced the teachings of Jesus. Teachings of Islam or Muhammad Paigambar teach the same thing, because Muhammad Paigambar impressed the simplicity and monotheism of Christianity. So in Christianity are the teachings of Islam. The first teaching is God is one. The Islam teaching also, the first teaching is God is one. He also advocated monotheism, worshipped only one God. We easily win the heart of the God through a simple prayer. Muslim offer their prayer for 5 times a day. This is the first teaching of Islam. The second one should lead an honest and principled life and should keep away from all the bad habits. So bad habits means gambling, consumption of liquor, harassment, women harassment. So the people keep away from these bad habits. So last one, third one. One should have respect for women and compassion for the poor and weak. Women also equal to men. So we respect the women and also a help to one who distress or poor and weak. Write a homework. Everyone send your homework from 6 to 6:30 p.m. The first question. Why the people of Arabs migrated to Mecca and Medina? Second one. Write a note on the life of Muhammad Paigambar. This is a short note of Prophet Muhammad. Third one. Why Muhammad Paigambar travelled from Mecca to Medina? Why Muhammad Paigambar travelled from Mecca to Medina? Fourth one. What is Isra Hera or what is Isra? Last one, fifth one. What are the teachings of Islam? What are the teachings of Islam? Thank you.